Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Myrna. I love all things DIY, budget friendly, and turning a house into a home. But this episode is going to be a little bit different. It's very near and dear to my heart. For Christmas, we surprised my mom with cruise tickets to the Bahamas. Oh my gosh, cruise! And we're taking you along for the ride. Me and my mom live in different states, so quality time is of the utmost importance, and she's always wanted to go on a cruise. So let's just jump right on in and get into the adventure. Where are we?
Jerusalem restaurant. Good morning.
Good morning. We started our travel at just before 5 a.m. So we've had very little sleep. I'm so sleepy. Jerusalem Bakery and Grill is a staple in our household, and I will stand on business that it is the best Middle Eastern spot in Atlanta, Georgia, period. We are in Florida. We are 100% making a side quest to St. Pete, Florida to see my mom's best friend of 30 plus years. This is Aunt Juju. She is the most beautiful soul. She had some men's stuff ready, which literally felt like a warm hug after long travels. But we made this detour simply for a haircut. Yes, you heard that right. She did my mom's hair for her high school graduation, engagement, wedding, my wedding. She even did my wedding hair as my bride. I'm the bride, but she did my hair. Anyways, their friendship is just so beautiful. It is a really great example of what sisterhood should truly look like. Back on track for our overnight stay in Orlando with my auntie Suada. She is the most welcoming and beautiful spirit you will ever meet. She just feels like home when you're with her. I hadn't had her cooking since high school, so she had a spread ready for us. My cousin Mary, guys! Is it really a trip to Florida without going to a Goodwill, though?
No, it is not. Wait, okay, but this is actually cute.
Wait, that is cute.
So cute.
And your generation figure out how to use it?
Tell me a number. Like, give me a number.
911.
Perfect. Is it?
Oh!
Yeah. Those are so it, girl. Like, I swear to you.
Okay, you're the it girl, yeah. You're
the
the it girl.
You walk out in these.
You trying to have me out here and get made fun of. Y'all see this? Y'all see how she trying to have me out here?
Icon.
Boo!
And so the adventure begins.
For the first day of the boat, we got sucked into a raffle just while we were exploring, and Mom won. On this same night, it was the championship game, so you know we had to represent our city, Columbus, Ohio, and cheer on those Buckeyes. And yes, we won the national championship. What's a championship without a chant? I won a raffle. Not even a raffle. It was a guess the gemstone game, like guess the carrot. And I was the closest one. I put 0.55 and I won a Tanzanite necklace. Ah! We asked one of the locals where to go because it's just a bunch of jewelry stores and souvenir shops. So we just walking up and down. So we're gonna go to Fish Fry. This is Derek, guys. He gave me all the good food places.
Welcome to the Bahamas. Enjoy yourself while you're young.
Fish Fry is where there's a bunch of fish shacks, and they only use the local fish, of course. These are friends. It is a son and mother vacation also, so we met them on the bus.
We made it. I hope you see this.
I don't know what to get. He told us to get the fish platter, so I think that's what I'm just gonna do, a little bit of everything. And this is a conch fritter. You know what it tastes like? Hush puppies.
What's your favorite part of the trip so far?
Everything. I'm happy. Freedom. Vacation. No responsibility.
So we are on the bus. We're headed back to the port, and I got to sit in the front seat. It's so nice. One thing about the local buses in the Bahamas is there's no bus stop, so you have to flag it down just like a taxi in New York.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
Welcome to the Bahamas!
So we made it to Princess K's Carnival's little private island. So we're doing a little exploring while Mom goes swims in the ocean. I might just grab her some food, but so far so good. It's been a fun time. This is our last stop before our night at sea. And it was everything I could ask for, spending quality time with my mommy and enjoying a beautiful beach day. Hi guys, it's the last day of the cruise and it is a fun day at sea. So they have a lot of events and things going on the ship today. They're hosting a brunch, which is a little different than the usual breakfast that we've been having every morning. So I'm really excited to have an egg benedict.
I'm from the Philippines.
Philippines
Hi guys. Welcome to
represent!
Carnival Lord.
Thank you. Oh, he's so nice. So I'm waiting for Mom. She got sucked into some raffle, but I was just too hungry to cancel our table. So I'm excited to enjoy some good food, enjoy a relaxing time. So let's just jump right onto the day. Bye guys.
We didn't win.
We didn't win? One thing for sure and two things for certain, we are not getting sick on this trip. So we brought emergency with us. I highly recommend you bring emergency, especially in a situation where you're on a boat and it's very small spaces and you're around a lot of people. That's good. The entire trip, I love a good Polaroid, so we took a Polaroid picture with Hakeem, who took really great care of us. Yes, I am in a gym on vacation while Mama's getting her massage. I thought I would get a quick workout in. This year I said that I was going to do things that I previously said I would never do. One of those things is running in a 5K and another one of those things is competing in a CrossFit competition this year. Both of which I'm absolutely terrified of, but I said I was gonna do things that make me completely uncomfortable. Since tomorrow we have a very long drive ahead of us, get my body moving, get things moving, and slowly get back into routine of things. So when we get home, it's not a struggle bus to walk through those doors at the gym. So we'll get a quick little workout in and probably have some fun for the rest of the day. Okay, I'll see you guys later, bye! For this workout, we did 4 sets of 20 reps of each movement of the weighted sit-ups, the dumbbell alternating snatches, and the squat. That's it. What's your favorite thing about the beach so far?
Beach. It was nice. We were together, spent time more together.
Oh, you like me?
Oh, I have to, yeah. Yeah.
Okay, we're trying frog legs. Mama, you want a frog leg?
Never ever.
Oh, it's actually really good. It is like chicken, but it needs salt.
It's like a Zumba class.
We stayed the night at my aunt's house and had all of the good food. And now we are finally on the road. We needed a night of rest. I was exhausted. But now we made a stop on the side of the road at the Nut House. So this is me and Mom's first side quest of the day. We made it to side quest number 2. So this particular Goodwill does everything color coordinated. So like activewear is kind of mixed in and all the sizes are mixed in. This is probably one of my least favorite type of organization. I do love the color coordination, but I hate feeling like I have to dig through everything. I prefer it to be by size, so I can just go to my size, look, see what they have in my size, and then move on to the next thing. We probably won't spend too much time at this Goodwill, so I'm just gonna go look at like the house stuff since I do have the truck and see if we can find anything there. But as far as clothes, I think we're just going to skip the digging because we do have still a 9-hour drive ahead of us. Summer season, when you're eating outside, you can put this over your food so it doesn't, you know, no bugs or flies gets on the food. We made it back to Ohio. I already miss my mom so much, but we will see her again for Easter weekend. I hope you guys enjoyed this adventure. Going from 80 degrees to below freezing temperatures overnight was not an easy adjustment. It took us a while to get back on routine, but that's okay. We are right back on schedule, and I will see you guys next week for a closet transformation. I cannot wait to show you. Bye, guys.